In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Salesforce certification status and check your 2026 maintenance expiration details. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once your browser is open, go to the Salesforce credential verification page. This is the official page used to look up Salesforce certified professionals and review the public certification information tied to a credential record. Waiting for the official page to fully load is important so that all search functions appear correctly before you continue. When the page is open, look for the search field labeled Verify a Salesforce Certified Professional. This is the main query box you'll use to find a certification record. The layout is usually simple and centered around helping you search quickly, so the field should be easy to spot on the page. Next, click into that box and enter your search information. You can type either your email address or your full credential holder name, depending on which option applies to your record. As you enter the information, make sure it is spelled correctly and matches the details associated with your certification profile. Accuracy matters here because even a small typo can affect the search results and make it harder to find the correct listing. After entering your information, click the search button. This tells the system to process the query and display the matching certification record or records. Give the page a moment to load the results. If multiple listings appear, take a moment to identify the one that matches your certification profile most accurately before moving on. Once your results are displayed, review the active certification cards shown on the screen. These cards contain the key details related to your current Salesforce certifications. This is where you can confirm which credentials are active and, most importantly, check the exact maintenance expiration windows associated with 2026. Read through each card carefully so you can clearly understand the renewal or maintenance timeline for every certification you currently hold. As a helpful tip, pay close attention to date details and certification names so you don't confuse one credential with another, especially if you hold more than one certification. It can also be useful to keep this page open while planning your maintenance schedule so you know exactly which deadlines are coming up. That's all you need to do to verify your certification status and review your 2026 maintenance expiration